Morning guys, happy Monday. I have got a fun week planned. I'm gonna leave for training shortly, and then I've got my lip appointment at 12, which I'm very excited for, a little bit nervous for, but very excited for. And yeah, I've got a couple of videos planned. I'm wanting to film another 3 looks 1 palette with my Huda retrograde palette, and then I also want to do a couple vlogmas videos. So I definitely want to upload one tomorrow for the 1st of December. I think I'm going to do like a putting my Christmas tree up type of thing. So if there are any other like vlogmas style videos that you guys want to see, maybe like going Christmas shopping with me, you know, stuff like that, then comment them down below. But yeah, let's get this day started. Happy Monday. Okay, I'm finished with gym. It's 20 to 12 now, and I'm on my way to my lip appointment. I'm very, very nervous. I'm just having a little bit of rehydrate. She told me that I must drink this before. Snapshot.
A very quick one. And make me fun, please.
Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. So this is just the first session, and I probably will come for like another 1 or 2. Looks great. Lippies. I love it. I love it. I love it. So the top lip is just a bit lumpy. You can kind of see there, but I can only start massaging it from tomorrow. With some arnica, which will help with bruising, potential bruising, and it will also help just distribute the lumps as well. Charlie says I look like a Bratz doll. But I'm just making a quick lunch. Some boiled eggs on toast, and I think I'm gonna chill. Yeah, that's it.
Hair everywhere.
Numbers. Cardi B. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. That's attractive. Morning guys. Happy Tuesday. We're just taking Kodo Bay to the vet because he's got this like weird thing on his elbow. It was almost like just like a little pad where he's rubbed the fur off, just like over his lifetime. But now it's kind of got these like weird little like cyst things on it. This little pad thing there, and it's just not getting better. So taking him to the vet, and they're gonna just put him under sedation and check it out. I'm a poor bird. Push my mush. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, so we're gonna drop him off at the vet, and I'm heading to Century. I'm gonna do some Christmas tree shopping, Christmas decoration shopping, and get a Starbucks. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's so high, he's so high. Oh, all bandaged up. It's a good package day today. Lots and lots and lots.
PR to the fucking max.
Actually, no, it's not PR.
Shopping
Well, actually, I'm not too sure. Superbly, I bought. This I bought. This I don't even know what it is. This I bought. This I bought on Black Friday. Let's open some packages.
Some of those well, please. Yeah. Thank you.
Let's send this whole ass big bag box. This. Snout and paw butter, all natural. Kane's nose is very dry and he's got a bit of vertigo. So hopefully this smells like nothing. It's fine, you can still eat in the background, it's true. Next up is superfoods. They also had a nice Black Friday special. I think it was like 50% off. And they've got some great new protein shake smoothie things. Plant-based protein in chocolate.
Okay.
I'm excited, apparently it's delicious. There's a vanilla, I think. Lacuna Dream Superfood Protein Shake. I think this is a vanilla flavor. Also looks quite nice. Yay! Next up is Superbalist. This is also a Black Friday purchase. You think?
Right.
Broken.
Well, you said that's a cunt thing to do.
Why would they not wrap this up properly? I bought a cocktail mixing set for my birthday. It came like that, a little Barsiv thing, and then a nice long spoon with the muddle end. And then I also got the, what's this, My Skin Co. Acai Goji and Hibiscus Probiotic Skin Mist. Love this. It's divine. I'm so upset about my cocktail shaker though. I'm gonna have to return it. Okay, next up is from a Shop Love Theory. Needed to pick up some stuff on them obviously. So beautiful. So this is like full on sealed, so hygienic. So I picked up this Cosrx low PHA barrier mist. So it helps maintain your skin's helps skin maintain low pH level. It works as a shield, keeping skincare steps from evaporating and makes your face moisturized, which is fab. I actually use the Cosrx low pH cleanser. Look how nice that is. Let me try it out now. I'll try it out. Ooh, that's like a beautiful mist. Can't say I'm a fan of the scent though. It doesn't actually have like any fragrance to it. It's just got like a very weird kind of like skincare smell to it, but it's a nice fine mist. So started to play around with that, and then I also decided to pick up, if I can get her out of the bag. So they had this little Neogen trial kit. So it's like all of the top sellers, I think. And this was like, how much was it? I think it was like $150 or something. It was like super cheap. And this is also such a great little like Christmas gift, little stocking stuffer. This book comes with little stickers, and it comes with the BioPeel Gauze Peeling Wine. What is this for? Clearer, smoother, and tighter skin. So it comes with that. It comes with a green tea gauze peeling product. So this is for moisturizing the skin. And then it comes with some little testers in there, as you can see. So it's got the Calendula cleansing water, the Real Ferment Micro Essence, and the Real Vita C Serum. Yay! I'm excited to play with these. I've been wanting to try out the Neogen products for a while. I've always had my eye on their cleansers, especially like the green tea one. But yeah, I thought it'd be nice to actually trial and play around with a couple of their mini products. And I actually think I might pick up some more of these because these are really cute gifts. Very, very cute gifts. I think it was literally 150 Rand. So stoked. Okay, and then I've got this huge box over here. I don't know if this is even for me, but let's open it and see. Is this for me? I don't think this is for me. Oh, this is for me. This is a Clicks goodie box filled with goodies. which I'm not going to show you just yet because this needs to go live on my channel. When this is live next week, Monday, it will probably be live maybe by Wednesday, so I'm gonna keep a secret for now. Hi there guys, happy Wednesday. It's late in the afternoon actually. I haven't vlogged much today. I had a shoot which was actually at the house here this morning. Gareth came over and we shot a candidate who's competing in Mrs. South Africa. And then yeah, I've just been chilling. I was supposed to train at 1, but I'm super tired, I think just from waking up early, and I also didn't have a car, so couldn't get there. But I'm very excited because I just got my Discovery credit card delivered to the farm, and that means, I'd literally just ordered my Apple Watch through Discovery Vitality. Oh, I'm so excited. So I'm gonna go collect that on Friday. It's also another birthday present to myself. But yeah, I haven't done a lip check-in yet. My lips are still a little bit lumpy and bumpy, but I'm massaging them like twice a day, 2 to 3 times a day. And I can already feel that it's made a difference since yesterday because they were quite bumpy yesterday. They were still a little bit swollen the top lip yesterday morning, but the swelling seems to have gone down. The bottom lip isn't too bumpy, it's mainly the top lip. And then I've got a little bit of bruising and scabs, but yeah, I'm very happy otherwise. Morning guys. Oh, she dork. Happy Thursday. I'm on my way to a refinery shoot here in Pardon Island, so it's not too far from home. And yeah, shooting full day. I think it's a full day campaign. It's not like a studio e-com shoot, so there's a couple models, another makeup artist, so yeah, it's gonna be fun. And then depending on what time I finish, I have to quickly shoot home, get changed, then fetch Candace, and we're going to the We Are Egg opening at Cavendish, which is like a new departmental store, but it stocks all local designers and local brands, which is quite cool. So yeah, looking forward to that. So yeah, that's pretty much my day. You can stick along and see what we get up to behind the scenes on the refinery shoot. Hi guys! I'm just arriving at Cavendish now for the We Are Egg event. I'm meeting Candy Bond here. I'm very excited to see what the store is like. I've got a feeling I'm gonna spend money, but maybe I shouldn't. Let's go see! Morning guys, it's a very early morning, Friday. I'm on my way to a test shoot, and immediately after I'm doing a shoot with OTG. Yeah, event last night was cool, it was chilled, just like browsed around the shop, tried to not spend money, which I didn't. Yay me. Yeah, I'm pretty tired. I struggled to fall asleep last night. And yeah, I had to be up at 4:30, so they're tired. But yeah, I've got the test shoot, got the OTG shoot, and then I'm collecting my dress for my 30th birthday. Yay! Which I had made, which you guys will definitely see. Actually, maybe I'll show you. No, I won't show you on the vlog because it's going to go live the Monday before my birthday, so you'll see it on my birthday vlog. But yeah, I'm going to do that, and I need to go to the post office, pick up some parcels, and I also want to maybe stop at Century to fetch my Apple Watch, because that will be nice. And then I might get in a training session this afternoon, but we'll see. So yeah, busy day. Hi guys, so it's 11, finished with my 2 shoots. I can barely speak or think, I'm so hungry, I need to go eat something. But I've just arrived at Canal Walk. I'm gonna go fetch my Apple Watch, I'm so excited! And I need to get some groceries, and then I'm going to the post office, and then I'm going home. Morning guys! I left my camera at home this morning, so I'm just taking this on my phone quick. It's Saturday morning. I'm on my way to gym. It's just before 7. I'm hoping I don't get there 5 minutes late because I did snooze a couple times this morning. But I'm so excited because I'm wearing my new Apple Watch. Yay! A little birthday present to myself. So yeah, I'm just going to do a nice little functional workout this morning. I think I might stop and grab a nice bootleggers coffee to start the day. And then I've got a free weekend. Got no clients, got no weddings, which is fabulous. I worked the last like 3 weekends of November, so it's nice to have some time off. So yeah, just chill out, maybe film a YouTube video. See where the day takes me. And next weekend is my birthday! Exactly a week. I turn 30.